Many of us probably remember pretending to be a doctor or a nurse in primary school, but this school in Northumberland are introducing more health and social care roles to children by using mini scrubs. The mini scrub scheme from Northumbria Healthcare allows schools to have smaller scrubs for children, so they can learn about different roles within health and social care. Some of the roles include the usual doctor and nurse, but they also have a finance manager, a chef, care assistants, and many more roles that children may not know about. Jill Nicholson is a science and STEM lead at Northburn Primary School, and she has already introduced the scrubs in her lessons. She said that the children love being able to have the scrubs and learn about the different roles within health and social care.
I think it's a brilliant thing because already I have 5 or 6 children within this class who have heard of roles they've never heard of and want to do it. I had a little boy who said he wanted to retire from a chef role until he realised how important it was that his singular role can have to support the recovery of patients. They're very enthused already before we even start in the second lesson. And I think it gives them a different perspective on their learning and engages them in their learning within the primary school.
Of course, these children have grown up during the pandemic, and many have probably seen footage of health and social care workers on the front line. Ruth Orton, who works in Northumbria hospitals, understands that people may be worried after the pandemic, but during the scheme, the children will learn about every part of the roles, including safety measures.
People might be worried about what's been going on with COVID and infection, but the processes that we have in place will protect staff. So people might need an immunisation to go and work in the area that they're working on. And the mini scrubs are part of our protective equipment to help people keep safe.
The hope of the mini scrub scheme is that children will learn about the different roles, but also go back home and tell their parents about what they've learned. Northumbria hospitals hope that many adults will also learn about the roles and maybe pursue something within the health and social care sector. The North East North Cumbria Integrated Care Board support people who want to get into the industry, and they are glad that schemes like the mini scrub start at a young age.
How can we support people to either progress into opportunities and support them throughout their career? So what we have available to our staff as health and social care partners is ongoing development, such as through apprentice schemes, and that goes all the way up to master's level. So what can we do for continuity starting at age 4 up to our current population? How can we inspire people to think, gosh, I didn't think that was available for me. I could work there now, or I could aim to progress there if I complete this. But we can support people to complete whatever qualifications or experience that would be helpful for them to progress into meaningful careers.
Northburn Primary School will continue to have lessons in their mini scrubs, and other schools across the region will also have a chance when more scrubs are introduced in the autumn term.